In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add taxes to an invoice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to enter your tax details so they show up correctly on your invoice. Start by looking to the upper right corner of your screen and click on Create New. This opens the menu where you can choose what type of document you want to build. From that menu, select Invoice. As soon as you click it, give the page a moment to load. You might see a brief spinner or a loading bar. Don't rush this part. Waiting for the invoice page to fully load helps ensure all fields and buttons appear as they should. Once the invoice editor is open, navigate to the Rate section. This is where the pricing and any additional charges like taxes are managed. When you're in the rate area, you'll notice a button labeled Add Taxes. That's the one we want. Click on Add Taxes to open the tax entry panel. You'll be prompted to give your tax a name. Use a clear, recognizable label, something like sales tax, VAT, or GST. So anyone reviewing the invoice understands what the charge represents. After naming the tax, enter the tax number. This could be your registration or compliance number, depending on your region. Make sure the number follows your local formatting rules and double check for typos before moving on. Accurate naming and numbering make reporting and audits much easier down the line. If you need to include more than one tax, for instance, a state tax and a local tax, go ahead and add another tax using the same panel. Keep each tax on its own line with its correct name and number so they're easy to identify separately. This helps the totals calculate correctly and keeps your invoice transparent for clients. When everything looks good, click on Apply Taxes. This action attaches the taxes you've just set up to the invoice and updates the totals accordingly. Take a quick glance at the summary to confirm that the tax amounts appear where you expect them and that the grand total reflects those additions. If you notice anything off, you can return to the rate section and make adjustments before finalizing. That's all there is to it. Create a new invoice, wait for it to load, head to Rate, click Add Taxes, provide a tax name and number, add additional taxes if needed, and then apply them. Follow these steps and your invoices will show taxes accurately and professionally.